Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 20, the 50, and the 200 SMA on MetaTrader 4. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 4, then go to Insert, Indicators, Trend, and click on Moving Average, this one. Now we have here period. Let's start with the 20. We have here method. Make sure you choose simple. We have here the color. Make sure you choose bright colors. Okay. So I will choose, for example, this violet, and the thickness I will keep this one. Click on OK. Now this is our 20 SMA. Now let's add the 50. Go to indicators again. The same thing. Trend, moving average. On period, type 50. Method, make sure it's on simple. The color, I will change it, for example, to another bright color. So I will choose, for example, this khaki. Click on OK. As you can see. Now let's add the 200 SMA, indicator, trend, and moving average. It's the same thing. Okay, now I type here 200, simple on method, but the color I will choose, for example, white. The thickness, I will make this one thicker. For example, this. Now click on OK. And as you can see here, we have the 200. This one is the 50. And this one is the 20. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.